Hey, what's going on? This is Mikado, the Funnel Genius here at Funneltopia. Today, we're going to show you how to connect your social media. Now, inside of Funneltopia, you can connect Facebook, both pages and groups, which are going away. So if you've seen that update, you may not be able to use groups anymore. You can connect Instagram, Google My Business, your LinkedIn profiles, your X social profiles, and your TikTok. X social being used to be Twitter. So today we're going to connect Facebook because they're all basically the exact same process. You just got to follow their little steps. So I'm going to come in to traffic. You go to the social planner. And then the very first time you're on this page, you're going to be here. So we're going to click connect. And it's going to ask me if I want to continue. I'm going to say yes, continue. And then it's going to give me an option to add a bunch of pages. Now I'm just going to add one page to start. And when I do that, then it's going to have this pop up. So here we go. Now I can actually come in here and I can start posting to my Facebook page. Now let's say I want to add an additional social media profile down the road. I'm just going to come in and click this little cogwheel right here. And then I can add Google My Business. I can add additional Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X Social, and TikTok. So today we're going to add in another Facebook page. Again, click the continue. It's going to have the exact same pop-up, and this time I'm going to do this one. All right, so now I can post two different pages. We are all set there. Now, when I want to come in and make a post, I have an option. First of all, I can create groups. So I could create a group and I would add a group, and then I'd say, oh, you know what? I want social, I want the Xmas funnels group. Now you do technically need two things in it to create a group, but you can select any and all profiles that you want to do there. From here, I'm going to click new post, and I can either upload from a CSV, I can use the AI generator, but today I'm going to just hit create post. And I didn't create a group, so right now I'm just going to select this one. And if I wanted to select all, I could select all, right? So I kind of have my pick as to what I want to do. Now, Facebook posts, as well as some of the other platforms, you have the option to switch between posts, stories, reels. Stories, I believe, are just for Instagram. Reels are for Facebook, and I think TikTok has a similar thing. So I can come in here, I make a post. And let's see, I want to, actually I'm going to use the AI. We're going to generate with AI. We're going to say, 12 funnels of Xmas in 12 funnels of, let's do, it's April, or it's almost April, so we're going to do 12 funnels of tax season, just for fun. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. All right, so free funnels. I'm going to add another keyword. I'm going to say tax funnel and make it funny. Give me 3 variations, and let's do medium length. All right, so I got to add a little bit more to my description here. So write a social post getting free funnels for tax season. Okay, see, that worked. Perfect. It's going to generate some content. Give it a moment. Just takes a bit. It's coming up with funny content. There we go. That's hilarious. All right, we're going to do that. Okay, and then I'm going to create an image using AI. All funnels of tax season. Give me, same thing. Create an image for the social media post. And I'll do 4 variations, and we'll do photo. Maybe I should have done dreamlike. I kind of think I like dreamlike, but it's all right. Give it a moment. It'll generate a few options here. Now, let's go back, generate some new options. It's because I did photo. Ooh, pastel art or 3D models. Yeah, let's try that one, 3D models. Yeah, there we go. I like that one. That works. I can also add a follow-up comment here. So maybe I want to put the hashtags here instead. And delete them from here. All right. And I can also add in, this is only for Google, but you know, if I wanted to add this in, I could. I could either save it, I could post it, or I could even schedule it, as well as like if we're running these for you, we could say, hey, we need these approved first, and we could get that for you. So I'm going to schedule this for today at p.m. Do 2 p.m. 2:62. Let's just do 2 o'clock p.m. And the post is scheduled. And you'll see them all right here. You can actually come into the planner right here and be able to see all of them. So it's also a great way to be able to create content via planner and be able to plan all your social content out. If you got any questions, drop it in the comments below. And until next time, have a blessed day.